Right now, in this very moment, a massive shift is occurring in the subconscious mind of your specific person. As you listen to my voice, they are reaching a point of total clarity. Every other distraction, every other name, and every other potential option in their life is being deleted. They are realizing that there is only you. Tonight, they will feel an irresistible urge to claim you publicly, to let the world know exactly where you stand. For the absolute best results, listen to this meditation every single day for the next 21 days to fully rewire your reality. And if you are ready to be their sole priority, subscribe now and join our community of powerful creators. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the need to wonder how. And type, "I am their only choice" in the comments right now to anchor this energy into your physical realm. By typing it, you are claiming the frequency of being chosen. Now repeat silently or aloud and let these affirmations vibrate through every cell of your being. I am the only one they see. They are deleting every other option for me right now. I am their top and only priority. They are choosing me over and over again. Our relationship is being recognized publicly tonight. They are proud to show me off to the world. Every distraction in their life has vanished. I am irreplaceable and undeniable in their eyes. They crave only my presence and my energy. I am the prize they refuse to lose. They are making our connection official right now. My name is the only one they want to speak. They are posting me everywhere for everyone to see. I am their soul's ultimate and final destination. They are cutting all ties that aren't with me. I am the center of their universe. They are announcing their love for me tonight. Our bond is protected, honored, and public. They are eager to introduce me as their partner to everyone. I am the only one who can satisfy their soul. They are obsessed with making me feel claimed and secure. I am the queen of their heart and the ruler of their mind. They are ending all other connections to focus solely on me. My love is the only thing they value above all else. They are shouting their devotion from the rooftops. I am worth being chosen proudly, loudly, and publicly. They are deleting the past to build a public future with me. I am their first thought in the morning and their final choice at night. They are claiming me as their person for a lifetime. Our love is no longer a secret, it is a celebration. I am magnetic to their total and public commitment. They are clearing their entire life to make permanent room for me. I am the only person they want by their side in every room. They are choosing me effortlessly and with total certainty. Tonight, the world knows I am theirs. I am claimed. I am the priority. I am seen. It is already done. Now imagine your phone lighting up. It's a notification they have just posted a photo of the two of you announcing to everyone that you are together. Feel the rush of relief. Feel the safety of being chosen. You no longer have to wonder. You are the sole priority. The space they've cleared by deleting the others is now filled with your radiant light. Soak in this feeling of being publicly honored. You have the power to lock this in and to manifest them even faster and clear any remaining blocks. Visit my website, joybyjanell.com. I have advanced tools that are designed to accelerate this exact connection.